Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85. Come see us. When you get here, ask for J.R.V. Mitchell. This is a beautiful 2020 Forest River Rockwood Lite 2706WS. Got two slides on it. Is a tandem axle unit. Has slide covers already installed. Got the power jack, making it unhooking it extremely easy. Double battery box, power stabilizers, power overhead awning, outdoor speakers. Nice little outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge and a pull-out cooktop. Got a utility box installed with a ladder. It is pre-wired for the backup camera. Comes with a spare tire. Let's go inside and see this thing. Enter in the back by the bunks with the privacy curtains. They each have their own window, little storage underneath. Open up the bathroom door. We got a nice bathroom, sliding glass shower door, plenty of room. Got a little window. Love seat in the slide. As you can see, the window treatments are framed. It's a nice, elegant look. Nice dinette sectional area with the table that converts into a bed, which you can also take outside. Use this outside like a picnic table. We got a built-in custom sound bar. TV's already installed. Plenty of storage. Got the camouflage refrigerator. Looks like the cabinets. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Nice custom backsplash area. Home is where you park it. We need campers. Nice walk around bed, plenty of storage. Got some LED lights, some little counters with outlets. TV is already installed. You got an HVAC unit right here over the bed. Keep you nice and cool. It is a dual unit HVAC unit camper. So it is good to go. Come pick it up and take it home and then hit the road. We need campers. Come see us.